Good morning ka-friendship! Today's video ay magluluto tayo ng nilagang baka or beef stew. Okay, so sit back and relax and please enjoy watching this video until the end. Hello everyone! This is Toto Mira. Sana samahan ninyo ako sa bawat pagluluto ko sa aking munting kusina. Okay ka-friendship, here are the ingredients. We have here isang pirasong kamatis, isang pirasong sibuyas, spring onion, dalawang pirasong calamansi, dalawang pirasong cayenne pepper, in the sense na wala akong pamintang buo, gagamit tayo ng dahon ng laurel. And then gagamit din tayo ka-friendship ng sibot. This is a Chinese herb na mabibili ninyo sa mga supermarket. Okay, meron tayo ditong 1 kilong beef, 2 pieces patatas, hiniwa ko na siya into cubes. Meron tayong 2 pirasong mais, sweet corn yan ka-friendship. And then meron tayo ditong pechay, ayan. And then gagamit tayo ng konting cooking oil at saka asin. Okay ka-friendship, let's do the rock and roll. Sa isang preheated na wok ay maglalagay tayo ng konting cooking oil. Ayan. Kapag mainit na yung oil natin ka-friendship, ipiprito natin or i-half fry natin yung ating beef. Ito na lang muna natin sa dyan ng kaunti na friendship. Ibalikan natin siya nito. Chef, half-fry din yung ating beef. So, what we're going to do next is pwede na natin siyang dagdagan ng tubig. And sa pagdagdag ng tubig sa friendship, once again, the boiling the butter. Ayan na siya ka-friendship, hayaan na lang muna natin siya dyan hanggang lumambot or hanggang lumabas yung scum ng beef natin. So, balikan natin siya later ka-friendship. At this point ka-friendship, pwede na nating alisin yung scum or yung impurities ng ating beef. So, ayan, meron siyang konti. Actually, konti na siya ka-friendship. Ayan ka-friendship. So at this point, pwede na natin idagdag yung ating onion. Ayan. At saka yung ating tomatoes. Idagdag na rin natin yung ating bay leaf. And magdagdag tayo ng konting asin. Ayan ka-friendship. Then, dagdag na rin natin yung ating sibot or yung ating Chinese herb. So, ayan na siya ka-friendship. So, hayaan na lang muna natin siya diyang kumulo hanggang lumambot yung ating beef. Friendship, tingnan natin kung malambot na yung ating beef. So, ayan, malambot na siya ka-friendship. At this point, pwede na natin idagdag yung ating mais. Ayan. Okay, so hayaan na lang muna natin siya dyan ka-friendship hanggang sa maluto yung mais natin. Okay ka-friendship, ayan, luto na po yung ating mais. So what we're going to do next is idagdag natin yung ating patatas. Ayan. Then dagdag na rin natin yung ating siling haba or yung ating cayenne pepper. Okay, so hayaan na lang muna natin sila dyan ka-friendship hanggang maluto yung ating patatas. Tingnan natin kung luto na yung ating patatas. So ayan, luto na siya ka-friendship. So what we're going to do next is idagdag natin yung ating pechay. Yan, so pakuluan na lang natin siya dyan ka-friendship ng at least 2 minutes. And then, balikan natin siya later. Ayan, okay na yung pechay natin ka-friendship. So, what we're going to do next is, mag-squeeze tayo ng 2 calamansi to enhance the flavor of our nilagang baka or beef stew. So, ayan ka-friendship, totoo na siya. So, ready for serving na yung ating nilagang baka. Chef, ito na po yung ating finished product, yung ating nilagang baka or yung ating beef stew. Okay, so i-garnish lang natin siya ng spring onion. Okay ka-friendship, sana nagustuhan ninyo ang dish natin sa araw na ito. Kindly hit that like and share button. And to those who are new to my channel, please do hit that subscribe button and kindly include the notification bell. And every single comment is highly appreciated. Once again, this is Toto Mira at your service. Always remember that your life has a purpose. Your story is important. Your dreams count. Your voice matters. You were born to make an impact. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. See you on my next video. God bless us all. Bye-bye.